Yoruba monarchs are backing Fulani herdsmen, releasing lands to get cows. Owoseni raised alarm. Special advisor to Governor Sheyi Makinde on security, Mr. Fatai Owoseni has bemoaned the worsening security situation in the state. The former Lagos Police Commissioner made this known during the first Yoruba Traditional Security Summit held at the Old House of Chief Parliament Buildings, Secretariat in Ibadan, organized by Yoruba World Assembly YWA. According to him, we have a lot on our hands. As a Nigerian, you can live anywhere but not as a criminal. If their cows are like their children, they should also not forget that the crops planted by farmers on their farms too are just like their own crops. If I don't disturb your crops, why should you destroy my crops? He lamented that there are many saboteurs among the Yoruba, especially traditional rulers, who trade the safety of the lives of their subjects for cattle. His words: out of 10 cows that a Fulani herder is grazing, 8 of them will belong to our people. Some of them are big men. When these criminals are arrested by police, these people will be begging for their release so that the cattle that herders graze for them will not suffer. There are so many hungry communities leaders just because they have an event they asked for a cow from these herders and give them a large expanse of land. When the herders see the land is okay, they will refuse to vacate it. Thank you for listening to this news. You can see this is the uh, special advisor to Sheyi Makinde on security matters, so that it will not look as if we are just making noise for nothing. Everyone is lamenting. Everyone is crying out. Everyone is saying, what is this? What is that? What is happening? We need intervention. Everyone is crying out for crying out loud. The president should wake up. Look at what our monarchs are doing. In fact, our monarchs are basic contributor to the issue of insecurity. That's why I'm so happy with what was done to the Oba of Lagos. Yes, I will proudly say it because he's supposed to be very close to the people. As someone that is close to the people, he's supposed to be protecting the interests of the people. Instead of protecting the interest of the people, he is out there supporting the government and using the government to fight his own people that made him the king that he is today. Can you imagine? So I think that is the only opportunity they had to attack him. So when that opportunity came, they decided to utilize it and they attacked him and made him to leave his palace. You understand? So you can see. So our monarchs of a truth are really causing a lot of issue to the matter of insecurity, and it is seriously affecting us in our respective states. Look at the ones, the monarchs in Oyo. The monarchs in Oyo are the ones that Owoseni has just raised alarm on. And if you check it very well, if you decide to carry out your investigation properly, you see that what Owoseni has just complained of that is taking place in Oyo is also taking place in other states. Who knows if that is the secret our Southeast governors are hiding from us? Because it is very clear that our Southeast governor are having something serious doing with the Fulani herdsmen for giving them lands. They are giving them lands in the Southeast. Now, the Oyo monarchs are also giving lands to Fulanis in Oyo. You can see. So if they don't have anything to share together, so why would they be giving them lands? Why would they be giving them lands? So let them not deceive us because we know what they are doing. We are aware of what they are doing. So they should better watch themselves. They should better watch themselves because we will no longer take this from them at all. We won't. If anyone has been taking it, it's going to be the last, the first and the last that it will be happening. Do you understand? The first and the last that it will be happening because they have taken too much advantage of this situation. Enough is enough. We have had enough of them. We have had enough of our monarchs. We have had enough of this Fulani herdsmen. Enough of them. You see that? So, with all these things that they are doing, don't be surprised that even these so-called monarchs may be among those that are sponsoring the ones called bandits to attack our communities. You don't know. Yeah. So that is why we need to be very, very vigilant and tread softly. Yes, you have to be very vigilant too, because these people, if you're not wise, they will take advantage of you. So don't give them that space. Don't give them that chance. You have to be wise and do your things like a wise man. Do you understand? So please and please, my dear viewers, having said all of this, what is your take? What's your advice? What do you think concerning this situation? Please, deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.